This film is about guaranteed job training in the United States Marine Corps. The Marine Corps Enlistment Option Program is designed to guarantee qualified applicants training in a specific Marine Corps job program. This film is about the electronics option. There's a variety of jobs in each of the options. Wherever possible, your specific job interests will be taken into consideration. Naturally, the immediate needs of the Marine Corps will come first. We believe that the best thing for the Marine Corps is to put a good Marine and a good Marine Corps job together. Marine electronics technicians are skilled professionals in challenging jobs throughout the Corps. Electronics is a highly technical and complex field. It involves the diagnosis and repairing of data terminals, communications hardware, cryptographic devices, and other electronic equipment used by the Marine Corps Ground Forces. After boot camp, Marines in the electronics option are sent to formal schools for highly specialized training.
This morning, we're going to be working with our PMP, common emitter amplifier circuit.
Very few of the students that come into a basic electronics course know much about electronics. Therefore, we have to start from the bottom, giving them a strong foundation.
We'll feel approximately
This is an academic environment. It's very important to keep things relaxed, keep everybody with a studious attitude.
What's C1 going to be used for?
It couples input signal to the base of the transistor.
Exactly. From there, we'll feel a 40 millivolt signal felt on the base of the transistor, changing the bias, increasing and decreasing the current.
In their time off, hopefully most of them are studying. These courses are demanding and it requires a lot of long hours of study. But there is plenty of time for liberty also.
Without the repair person, there's no way that the Fleet Marine Force can communicate. If the Fleet Marine Force can't communicate, that means that that particular infantry battalion or squad cannot function. If they can't function, the mission doesn't get accomplished.
They will do everything from VHF communications to telephone communications. It's varied and very seldom is the job monotonous.
How do you like this electronics course?
It's been really interesting. I didn't know much about electronics before I came in the Marine Corps, but the more I learn, the more I plan to work in this field even after I get out of the Corps.
What do you plan to do exactly?
Well, there are a variety of jobs for people that are trained as radio technicians. We can work in almost any electronics job there is.
The Marine Corps is a good way to learn about electronics and get the hands-on training that you need if you decide to get out.
People are always in demand. Therefore, promotions are usually very fast.
I've got approximately 15 and a half years of military service. Within that time period, I collected over $29,000 in bonus money. For my promotions, I picked up sergeant with 25 months in the Marine Corps, staff sergeant, 4.5 years in the Marine Corps, gunnery sergeant, 8.5 years in the Marine Corps. They were all for doing my job, doing my duty.
When Marines graduate from electronics school, they'll go to Marine Corps bases throughout the world. And one primary duty will be to deploy with their Marine units aboard ships of the United States Navy.
Electronic repairmen are first Marines. All Marines are basic riflemen, and their military specialty is secondary.
How do you like it?
I like it a lot.
Why?
It's challenging and you can still use your hand and still use your mind, and there's always new problems every day.
It's taught me a great deal. It's given me a technical skill and given me a chance to travel.
Once these Marines check into their new duty stations, they will normally be assigned to a senior non-commissioned officer. Here they gain more training on the job, actually repairing electronic equipment.
Electronics is a good field because of the technical training that you can get. It opens the doors to a lot of good, high-paying jobs. A high school diploma alone isn't going to get that for you.
What's most interesting about this work?
The fact that it's maintenance of communications equipment. Communications is a very important aspect of military life. Without communications, we really can't do anything.
What's the thing that you like the most about this Marine Corps training?
I like the discipline and the pride, and the fact that I do feel that I'm contributing to an overall cause. If he's in an operational unit, he'll be doing on-site repair in the field with people who are actually using the equipment. Most of them find it very rewarding.
Right off the bat, your exit mode and your receive mode were both in high data. They have to be in low data.
I think most young men, when they come in the Marine Corps, are looking for that adventure, getting out in the woods and or out in the desert and actually doing what a Marine does. It's more of a combat environment. And I think that's the type of excitement that most are looking for when they come in.
All right, that was the problem. It was improper switch settings.
I think it's still a sense of discipline in myself in which I can have the can-do attitude.
It's taught me to have more confidence in myself overall. Before, I would question certain little things that I had to accomplish. And after going through the Marine Corps program, I found if I can do this, I think I can do about anything.
Electronics is fascinating. Electronics technology is a growing field and it's here to stay. Why not make electronics a career? Take a close look at the Marine Corps Electronics Guaranteed option. See what it has to offer.